Hi there! Check out the Sugitek 3P50QT Foldable Stackable Storage Bins with lids, perfect for organizing your home, office, or garage. These clear plastic bins feature secure latching buckles and 3 convenient opening ways including top, front, and side access. Made from durable heavy-duty PP material, they are stackable and come with 4 smooth rolling wheels for easy mobility. The bins fold flat without any tools and assemble in just 10 seconds, saving you time and effort. With a large 12.5-gallon capacity and the ability to hold up to 150 pounds, they easily handle your storage needs. Plus, the built-in handles make lifting and moving these bins a breeze. Keep your space neat, tidy, and well-organized with these versatile and hassle-free storage solutions. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.